That is very exciting.
There it is.
One? There's only one? How do you know? What if you won? What if you commit to it, then you realize you won one? Yeah.
Max Charles.